Let's learn 15 plus powerful phrasal verbs that will make your daily English sound more natural. Pine for. Meaning, to miss or long for something or someone deeply. I still pine for my childhood days. She's been pining for her hometown. Spin out. Meaning, to make something last longer than necessary. They tried to spin out the meeting to avoid work. Don't spin out the story, get to the point. Stick around. Meaning, to stay in a place for some time. Stick around after class, I need to talk to you. Let's stick around to listen to the actor's speech. Tide over. Meaning, to help someone through a difficult time. Can you lend me some cash to tide me over until payday? Her support really helped tide me over during tough days. Play along. Meaning, to pretend to agree or cooperate. I didn't believe him, but I played along. She played along to avoid an argument. Opt out of. Meaning, to choose not to be part of something. He decided to opt out of the trip. You can opt out of the program if you're not interested. Opt in, to. Meaning, to choose to participate or join something. Did you opt into the new course? You need to opt in if you want to receive notifications. Fizzle out. Meaning, to gradually lose energy, excitement, or come to an end in a disappointing way. The party started well but fizzled out after midnight. Their excitement fizzled out when the plan failed. Snap out of. Meaning, to quickly stop being in a bad mood or daydream. You need to snap out of it and focus. He snapped out of his sadness after talking to a friend. Map out. Meaning, to plan something carefully and in detail. We need to map out our strategy before we start. She mapped out her career goals step by step. Plod along. Meaning, to continue working or moving slowly but steadily, especially with difficult or boring work. We're just plodding along with the project. He plodded along even when things got tough. Bail out. meaning to help someone in a difficult situation, usually by giving support or money. His friend bailed him out when he lost his job. The company was bailed out by investors. Hit upon, meaning to discover or think of something suddenly. She hit upon a brilliant idea. We hit upon a simple solution during lunch. Hone in on, meaning to focus closely on one specific thing. We need to hone in on the real issue here. The teacher honed in on the key point. Blurt out, meaning to say something suddenly without thinking. Don't blurt out the answer without thinking. I blurted out my feelings without realizing it. Bank on, meaning to depend or rely on someone or something. I'm banking on you to finish the project. You can't always bank on luck. Catch on, meaning to become popular or to understand something. That new trend really caught on quickly. It took me a while to catch on to the joke. Drag on, meaning to continue for too long and become boring. The meeting dragged on for hours. His speech dragged on and everyone got tired. Ease off, meaning to become less strong, intense, or severe, or to relax. The rain is easing off now. The pain eased off after taking the medicine. You should ease off and take a break.